In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an AI formula builder in Monday.com. First, head to your Monday.com homepage. This is your starting point and the easiest way to make sure you're in the right account and can see all of your work at a glance. If you have multiple accounts or teams, double check that you're in the correct one before moving on so the board you need is available. Next, open your workspaces. You'll find workspaces in the left side navigation. They're the containers that hold your folders and boards. Choose the workspace where the board you want to edit lives. If you're not sure which one it is, look for the area where your team stores active projects or dashboards. Now, open the board you want to enhance with a formula. Click the board name to load it. Make sure you have the right permissions to edit columns. If you can't add columns, you may need to ask an admin for access. On the board, look for the plus sign to add a new column. It's typically on the far right of your columns. Click it to start creating a dedicated place for your formula. Adding a separate column keeps your calculations organized and visible to your team. When the column type window opens, start typing formula into the search bar. This filters the list and helps you find the formula column quickly, especially if your account has a lot of column types enabled. Select the formula column. This opens the formula editor, which is where the AI assistant becomes really helpful if you're not familiar with the syntax or just want to move faster. Inside the formula editor, open the AI assistant. This tool lets you describe what you want in plain language, and it will draft the formula for you. It's great for common scenarios like date math, conditional outputs, or combining text from multiple columns. Type in the formula you want to make using clear, specific language. Refer to the exact column names as they appear on your board to avoid errors. For example, say, if status is done, return complete, otherwise in progress, and mention the column name status exactly. When the AI suggests a formula, click Insert. This places the generated formula into the editor so you can review it. Take a moment to scan it for correct column references and logic and adjust if needed. Finally, click Set Formula to save it. Your new column will immediately calculate across all items on the board. If something looks off, reopen the column, tweak the formula, or adjust your column names. That's it. Your AI-powered formula is live and ready to streamline your workflow.